My views from climate change are as I don't dispute that if you change the chemical composition of the atmosphere, you could change the climate and the weather. I think you don't have to look any further than humidity, for example. In the desert, where the air is very dry, where there's very little moisture in the air at night, the temperature drops like a rock. Whereas in the jungle, in areas of high humidity, when the sun goes down, because of the ability of the atmosphere to retain heat, it doesn't cool off as much. In 2000, I think it was 1991, there was a massive volcano called Mount Pinatubo that emitted something like 20 million tons of sulfur dioxide and particulate into the atmosphere, so much that it blocked the sun. The world actually cooled off by a half a degree to a degree for 2 years, until such a time that the atmosphere cleared up. So when the fundamental premise of the climate science is that if you change the chemical composition of the atmosphere by adding, in this particular case, greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide is one, methane and others, you'll change the weather and the climate. I don't dispute with that. I don't dispute that. So I'm not a climate change science denier, but I am a denier that the public debate is actually going to solve the problem. This is where I broke off. So if you say we should quit doing this, I agree. The question is, now what? How do we do that? And the debate is so shallow, so polarized, so pointless, that I ended up writing a book about it.